Hello students, welcome back to Let Us Master English. Today I'm going to teach you how to write an advertisement for making appeals. Let's get started. Students, if you want to know what is an advertisement, how many types of advertisements are there, what is classified advertisement and different categories of advertisement plus marking scheme for 12th class. Then you can visit lecture 1 on advertisement writing. There I have already discussed these topics in detail, so I'm not going to repeat it once again. Appeals. It is a type of advertisement that is written to make appeals for funds or donations, including blood donation or organ donation for various causes. Here are some important tips which you must follow while writing an advertisement. Point number 1, clearly state the category at the top. For example, appeals, packers and movers, kennel, to let, etc. So when we write advertisement, in first line, we write the category, that is the heading. Point number 2, after writing the heading, give all necessary details. Now, what necessary details are to be given? This I am going to discuss in this video. After writing those details, give your name, contact address, and telephone number. If it is provided in the question, use that, otherwise, invent on your own. And students, word limit for writing an advertisement is 50 words. So never be too lengthy, otherwise your marks will be deducted. Put the matter in a box. Once you have written the advertisement, draw a box with a pencil. If you forget to draw a box, then you would lose half mark for it. Now here are the value points which you require for writing an advertisement for making appeals. Specify nature of appeal, then description of the patient and ailment or the social, religious or national cause for which you want donations. Help required, that is in cash or in kind. A word of sympathy for victims and request for generous donations. Exemption in income tax on donations, if any. Credentials of individual or organization making the appeal. Contact address and telephone number. Now students, when there is a question on advertisement writing, some of the points are given in the question itself and some more points you can invent on your own from these value points. And it becomes very easy to write the advertisement. Here's a sample advertisement for you. Write an appeal addressed to the people of your area requesting donations for the cancer patients. The appeal is going to be published in the classified columns of a national daily. Sign yourself as Rahul or Reena. School Secretary, St. John's School, Kolkata. Now let us see what points are discussed in the question. Write an appeal addressed to the people of your area requesting donations for the cancer patients. Now, nature of appeal is to request for donations. And description of the ailment is given that donations are to be collected for the cancer patients. The appeal is going to be published in the classified columns of a national daily. Sign yourself as Rahul or Reena. So name of the person is provided to you. School secretary, his or her designation is given. St. John's School, Kolkata. So the address is also provided. Now these points are there in the question. We'll add some more points on our own. Now let us see how to write the advertisement. First line, heading, that is appeal. Cancer patients seek every person's help, money or in kind. It is our utmost duty to raise funds for the cancer patients, but practically it is a great cry and little woo. So your collection to this great cause should reach the undersigned by 2nd November 2000. So whichever year it is, you can write. And then write the name of the person who's writing this advertisement. Reena, School Secretary, St. John's School, Kolkata. Let's have a look at one more sample advertisement. Write an appeal addressed to the people of your colony requesting for donations for the victims of the flood affected areas. The appeal is going to be published in the classified columns of our national daily. You are Rajiv, head boy, class 12, KPS Public School, Assam. Okay, now let's read the question once again and see what points are given in the question. Write an appeal addressed to the people of your colony requesting for donations for the victims of the flood affected area. So nature of appeal is requesting for donations for a social cause, that is for the victims of the flood affected areas. The appeal is going to be published in the classified columns of a national daily. You are Rajiv. So name is given Rajiv. Head boy, designation of Rajiv. Class 12, KPS Public School, Assam. So address has also been provided to you in the question itself. Here's how we write this advertisement. First line, heading, appeal. All know that Karimganj and Dhubri in Assam are worst affected in flood every year. It's our duty to raise funds for the affected families. All are requested to donate generously. Your collection should reach the undersigned by 2 October 2021. So whichever year is, you may write. Now, name of the person writing the advertisement, Rajiv, followed by designation, that is head boy, class 12, KPS Public School, Assam. Students, I hope you would be able to write advertisement for making an appeal on your own after watching this video. And if you like this video, please press the thumbs up button. Do comment and share my video with your friends. Thank you very much.